In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an email address to your GitHub account. This is useful if you want to receive notifications at another email address or manage multiple email accounts. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Emails. In the email settings, find the Add Email Address option. Enter the email address you want to add to your GitHub account, then click Add. GitHub will send a verification email to the address you entered. Open your email inbox and click the verification link to confirm the address. Once verified, the new email address will be added to your GitHub account and can be used for notifications or other account settings. That's how to add an email in a GitHub account. Thanks for watching.